Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one more LeetCode question called toSum. Let's read the problem statement. Given an array of integers, nums and an integer target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. Along with that, they given one more instruction, which is you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. So we won't get multiple solutions in an array. Let's dive into this. We are given two things. One is the nums array and then the target. What we need to do, we need to select any two elements in the array and then we need to add those two, which will be equals to the given target value, right? Now for example, in this case 2 plus 7, which will be equals to 9, and the second input, it is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Here it is 3 plus 3 and it is 6, right? So we are going to return these two values indexes as an answer, and the output should be in array format. So to solve this question, what we are going to do, I'll create a hash map. Then I'll just keep on subtract each and every elements with the target value. For the first time, 9 will be subtracted by 2 and the remaining will be 7. Now I'm going to check whether the 7 is present in the hash map or not. If it is present, then I'm going to return the index of 2 along with the 7 as an answer, right? If it is not present, we are going to push the value 2 in the hash map, then we'll proceed with 7. Like that, I'm going to iterate the entire array. Once we got the answer, we'll just return the index of those two elements. If it is not possible, we'll just simply return null. So that is what the idea of this program. Now let me write the program for this one. Okay. First thing, we are going to take the map. So we'll create that, and it is going to store the integer key value and then the integer value. Now I'll name for the map, next new hash map. Next, I'm going to iterate the entire array now. So for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, and I plus plus. Now first thing, I'm going to take the remind, right? So we are going to keep on subtract the value. We are going to keep on subtract value target and then the number, right? So I'm going to take the variable name called remaining equals to how much target we have minus the current element nums of I. Now after this, I'm going to check whether the value is present in the hash map or not. So map dot contains the remaining. If it is present, then we are going to return an integer array as the map dot get the remaining index and then the current I value, right? So the get remaining method will return the balance index value and the current index value will return the I, right? If it is not present, then we are going to add it in our map. So map dot put nums of I and what is the respective I value. So if this particular function doesn't work, then we'll simply return null. Okay. Now we'll run this one. Okay, it should be equals to okay. Now it is pass the test cases and we'll submit now. Right. Now Now all the test case has been passed, and this is the solution for this one with the type complexity of order of n. You can solve this question with the n square also, but this is comparing to that one, this is the efficient solution.